Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool number line, specifically fractions. We're working with a problem related to TEKS 3.3e, and we'll do it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a pizza here, and it is a 6 slice pizza. So we can see we got our 6 slices right here, and there are 3 people that are going to split this pizza evenly. So what fraction of the whole pizza will each person receive? All right, so let's first make sense of this with a number line, and then we can actually use this model to help us as well. But we can always use a number line to help us with fractions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first draw a number line, and we'll draw it right here. And we need to make sure we know what our boundaries are. All right, so we are dealing with one whole pizza. So my number line here is going to go from 0 to 1. And then I'm going to break it up into even pieces, and we'll be dealing with the pieces within that. But we need our two boundaries. So there's only one pizza. Now, this is a 6 slice pizza. So when we're dealing with fractions, we've got two different terms that we need to be looking for. So the denominator is going to be your total number of pieces. All right, so let's look at what we have. We have a 6 slice pizza. We have an image here with 6 slices. So that is going to be our denominator. And so what we need to do is we need to realize that this pizza is broken up into sixths. So I want to break up this number line into sixths. Now, six are a little bit hard. We don't want to just guess at this. There's a way that we can do this pretty evenly. First, what we're going to do is we're going to cut it in half. Because when we cut it in half, that leaves us 3 pieces on each side. Because if I cut it in half and then I cut each side into thirds, 3 times 2 makes 6. That's how we can think about it. So instead of just guesstimating on the 6, I'm going to take this left half. I'm going to try my best to cut it into 3 equal pieces. And then I'm going to take this right half. I'm going to do my best to cut that into 3 equal pieces. And so what we can see here is if we count the pieces right here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 equal pieces, just like I have on my visual right there. The reason we're drawing the number line is sometimes they won't give you the visual. And so you need to be able to represent a fraction without any type of picture. So this number line came up. I've got 6 pizzas. Now, I've got 3 people. And what's important is that, let's say there's 2 brothers and their sister. They're going to split the pizza evenly, which means what we need to do is we need to put these in groups. So there's a few ways we can do this. One way would be to just take each of these slices, right? So let's say this first slice goes to this one, the second slice goes to the second brother, the third slice goes to the sister, and then the fourth slice, we're going to have to start back over. It's going to go to the first one, go to the second one, going to go to that third one. So you'll notice that what I ended up with is each of these people have 2 slices. Now, you can do that one-to-one matching, that works, or you can just look to see how could I take this 6 and divide it into 3 equal groups. That's what we're looking at. We're looking at 2. And so we can say, all right, so these 2 right here, that's going to be one person. These 2 right here, that's going to be another person. These 2 right here is going to be another person. So what fraction of the whole pizza will each person receive? Well, let's look at this one right here. Fraction is this? Well, let's go ahead and label this. This first is going to be a 0/6. This is going to be a 1/6. We can label all of it if we want to make sure we get up to our 6/6. But we need to just stop at that first one. This person right here, if I were to shade this in, gets 2/6 of a pizza because if the first person has 2/6, the second person has 2/6, and the third person has 2/6, 2, 4, 6, that would equal the whole pizza. So that top number is our numerator, and that's the number selected. In this case, we're trying to select how many pieces each person will receive, and the answer is going to be 2/6. So the first person gets these 2 slices, the second person gets these 2, third person gets those 2. Our answer is B.